There are many ways to scalp in the market, but this is one of the most effective ones. Firstly, I go to the daily time frame, and here I can see that we're bullish and the most recent candlestick is bullish as well, and the price is heading for that break of structure. Heading over to the 4-hour chart, we can draw our trend lines over here, and what we want to do is aim for the higher lows. This in particular is where we want to take our trades, and to add more confirmation, use the Fibonacci tool and always aim to trade at the 38, the 50 and the 61 percentiles listed over here. So you can see that price over here went into the 50 percentile, and this area had a lot of consolidation in general. If we move on to the 15-minute chart and zoom out a little bit, you can see that there was a lot of retesting that happened at this level, and therefore I marked that as a key entry point that I'm interested in, because price always retests at this point. So when price broke through the zone and retested it, this would be my ideal buying point. And since we're scalping, we're going to keep our stop loss and our take profit a bit tight. I usually aim for the previous break of structure for my take profit and never go over a ratio of 1:3 when I'm doing my scalps. And with this, I hope you guys understand the scalping method. Follow for more and check out my series for fear signals. Link is on the video.